So this video was supposed to be what we do during the day, but you know, so busy doing things and going to work, going to sports, all that. So I split it up in some couple of days. Today, I'm also gonna add footage of us giving the sheep her shots. She's pregnant. Hopefully, it's 2 of them. You know, but hit the like, to subscribe, the notification button. It's Zulunation, baby.
It's a rare condition this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper page. Love and tradition of the grand design.
All that innocent, all that day raw. Voila!
Good guy.
Was that so hard?
It's October.
Awesome. This is cool. You have cows too?
Yep.
That's a big cow.
1800.
Is that a male?
Yep.
That's a big boy. You don't cut the horns?
Yeah.
Cause that could hit you.
Yeah, I got it last year.
And they grow back?
Yep.
Damn.
This is 12. The horse.
Okay.
1
And
year and
then
a half.
I heard don't give him green hay.
No.
What happens?
Because he got a diarrhea.
Diarrhea? No, they say it could kill him. It could blow him up.
Yeah,
Is that
because
true?
He got a, ¿cómo se llama? Cólicos. Colic.
Okay, so how do they survive in the wild? Because in the wild it's green, right?
Yeah, but because it's born in the wall, not like this.
Oh, okay. So do I buy old one?
Yeah, like this one.
Yeah, because I was giving my other one corns, and then the guy was like, "Don't give him corn, because it makes him
Too
bloated."
much, you killed it.
Well, I'm learning. Okay, I was
I
just.
got a hole in this bucket right there, but I give you half bucket. For
I'm not giving them nothing. Now they just eat hay. I'm scared because they died. Because I had 4 goats that were 2 boys and 2 girls, and I was giving them corn, all this, and they all died, man. Yeah. So, what day should I? Is there a certain date? Do you know? Or you just wait? Can it do it itself?
She does it herself.
Okay.
Yeah, because he give it 2 already. 2.
My male goat won't. My male sheep won't kill the babies, right?
You gotta look after them.
Yeah.
Like separate them once that time comes because that's what they do.
Okay. This is cool. This is cool. You ready?
Give it
2?
300.
I thought you said 250, big dog.
I give it to 50.
Okay. You want the horse? Can you teach him how to ride? Because I don't know how to ride.
Well, my dad actually started off with that one because
See, that's a big horse, bro. Do horses bite?
No.
depends. Like if it's
It's very friendly.
yeah, this one's friendly, but there are some horses that do bite.
That's a big horse. Yeah, because I got dogs, I got sheep, I got goats, I got ducks. I want to get a cow, but not that's big as hell. That is huge.
It's ready for sale.
He's huge. How much did you say that is?
18.
How would I transport that?
Big trailer.
I don't have a trailer.
I got a trailer.
Oh, okay. That's a big dude. Do you ever breed him?
Huh?
Do you ever breed him?
Yeah.
When you get babies, let me know.
Oh, no, this is a board.
Damn, bro, you coming with us, Shaka? I don't know what's on his face. Shaka, what's on your face? He's too young to have acne. He has a rash. That's a rash. Shaka. Shaka. What's up? Hey, get your sister, please. You ready? Why not?
Hey, Shaggy.
So, I'm gonna try to do my little cowboy thing. Nico suggested this, so we'll see if it works. But she runs every time she feels me coming. Why are you laughing?
You gotta go like this.
Put that down.
You gotta go like.
Nico, make sure they don't.
No, I'm not good at that. I'm just trying to be sneaky.
Howdy, partner.
Tina, hold on. Let her go into the corner. She's pregnant, too.
So we can't have her stomach or anything.
Come on, kick this thing. Tina, go that way. This thing has never grew. Like, it's been that same size. Tino, chill. Nico. Get it, Tino.
Oh my God. This is some good entertainment. Grab it.
Tino, you had it, bro.
I know, but the other don't hit me.
Nico,
Grab
had
it.
Tino. Bro, it's, you know why it's the shoes. I just keep telling you. How you working in the front with those green shoes? Yeah, she's recording.
This was my Crocs before, bruh.
She really jumped into the gate. Oh, she's right there for her. Okay.
Put it on her neck now.
Okay, hold her right there. I want to give her a shot. Okay, hold her right there. Start with the tetanus.
Daddy, partner. Dad, tie her on this pole in case she runs away first.
Why would she run away if you got her?
I'm gonna hurt her front legs.
Just hold her. See? One shot. Tetanus.
Good job. Good job.
She doesn't mean she's like, what are you talking about? This one is, can't even pronounce it. We're gonna get that too.
And it jumped over me.
Yep. This one keeps jumping into fences and stuff.
I gotta let it go.
No, dude.
How much shots do you want to do?
Got one more. I'm the captain of this shit, you know?
It's okay.
Your shots are coming too, Shaka.
He's gonna be crying crazy. Let me get some shots.
Well, my back is already hurting. Not bad. I'm coming home.
Coming home?
Yes. Hey, I'm flying.
Wow, the power.
Alright, let it go.
And that's it, yeah. Let her go.
Can I show
Not
Shaka?
running to the gate.
What?
Show Shaka.
Doing what? He's up there screaming.
Shaka.
Shot.
Shaky Wacky.
Yeah.
Say hi.
That's Jasmine.
That's Pearl, bro.
How about Pearl?
Say hi.
Nah, hey, Nico.
Is that happy?
Nico.
Say hi.
Nico.
What?
The sheep's name is Pearl.
The sheep's name is Jasmine.
It's Pearl. Pick up that.
Wait,
list
hold on.
of- what?
Raise your hand if you want the sheep name to be Pearl.
Raise Shaka's hand, Megan.
Look at him.
What? Raise your hand if you want the sheep's name to be Jasmine. Shaka, raise his hand! Hey, you lost! Its name is Jasmine.
That's
We
crazy.
got 3
Hey, I hope you can keep that same energy for football.
No.
Okay, Javier?
You Shaka was like,
Let's go.
Halala, halala sanbongela, halala, halala sanbongela we. Halala, halala sanbongela.